Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my son just moved out of here. This is actually a Murphy bed that pulls down, but he left and he took his pillows with him, so I needed some more pillows. So this is a 2-pack of hotel quality pillows. So we're gonna show you guys what this looks like. Let's see if I can open this up. And I don't want to cut open a pillow by mistake, so I will try to be careful if I can. I should have got a sharper knife, that's for sure, but okay. This knife stinks. Okay, so here we go. So it comes with 2, and they are, look at that, they are just totally compressed. It's cool the way they come, but I'm gonna show you what happens here, and they're gonna expand. I'll just put one right here. We'll just open one for right now, and it's going to expand tremendously. So, open this up here, and see it's just a big compressed pillow. Look how thin that is now. But then magically, as it opens, it is going to become a bigger pillow. So it takes like 24 hours for it to get full size, I think, but you get the idea here. I'll show you. I'm gonna try to speed up the process. So sometimes what I'll do is put this in like in the dryer, and so it'll just kind of let it run through for a few minutes just to kind of give it the fluffiness it needs. But check this out. I've gotten these ones before, so I know what I'm doing here. But see, look at this. It's already becoming a fluffy, nice pillow. So it's fairly a soft pillow, I think, is the style I got, just because that's more universal for my guest room here. Let's see what we got here. It just says hotel quality pillows. It says, yep, how to fluff the pillow, hit the pillows, fold the pillows, squeeze the pillows, let it air out for 24 hours. So that's kind of the whole idea, or place in the dryer. Boy, those are all the things I kind of said, so you get the idea. So look at this, it's already kind of a soft pillow, and it does have some I guess some structure to it already. So that's good. So it's gonna keep getting more and more structure as I keep doing this, because that's what you do. And then it'll become a full pillow. So look at the difference already between this and this. This is the compressed one, and this is the uncompressed one. So it's gonna just keep getting bigger, and it'll be nice and soft and big. And it's actually, yeah, the fill inside of it is becoming strong. So it must have some sort of like a memory foam stuff that's just filling out. So it's actually becoming even firmer. So super cool pillow. And it looks like this one here is queen size is what I got. So, because I have a queen size bed. So I'm gonna say this is cool, and it's probably all good stuff. It says machine wash cold, don't bleach, don't iron, tumble dry low heat if you need to clean it. And is there anything else we need to know? Not really. It just says don't remove this tag. But you know, once you buy it, you're allowed to remove the tag. But look at that. So we are almost, you know, a full pillow right at this point. So it's good. There's no way it would ever compress back into that package. But super cool. I like these pillows, really good. Got a nice little tag on it, viewstar. So thumbs up for sure. Nice pillows.